YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. I am Lisa and I like to wish everyone a happy new year, happy 2021. I hope everyone had a great holiday. I've been taking a small hiatus from doing videos. I have been spending more quality time with family during the holidays. So I haven't been in any kind of funk or anything like that. I just wanted to have some quiet time to just start reflecting a little bit more as the holidays was going on. I just wasn't in particular mood to make videos. And I'm pretty sure there's people out there that understand where I'm coming from. So before we get into this video, which I'm going to be doing a reveal on some bags, a bag that I've already had and a couple of bags that I recently got during the holiday season. But first I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for everyone for all your feedback and comments and hitting the thumbs up button when you like my videos. And also, if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, beauty, lifestyle, inspiration, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I do a new video. All right, guys, so this video is about a couple of bags that I got. One I was able to wear during some shopping because I got it right before the holiday. And then there's a little surprise in it. And then there's a bag of the day. So let's get into this video. So my first reveal is my Dooney Florentine Tulip Shopper in the color navy. This is navy. I don't know if you can actually see the color. It's not black. It is a navy color. Now, I love the stitching, the contrast stitching across this bag, all around the bag to the back, and the feet, and you can see that the leather is trimmed. It has that reddish color, and that's throughout the bag, on the handles, on the zipper part, this decoration part here. That's for aesthetic purposes, not for anything else. It has the Dooney logo, which I love that. I love this particular logo. Oh, you can really see that navy color right there. So this bag I'm not carrying right now, but I did carry this during the holiday. And I think it was right before Christmas I got this. It has the roll handles and also the contrast stitching with the red on the corners of the leather. So nice. Okay, so this bag is not really stiff. It has become pliable in just a few uses. I haven't used this bag that much. I'm in love with this shopper. So inside the bag you have the suede trim, the green suede all across the top of the bag here, as you can see. And let's see, I have some things in her because I was carrying her, and I have another bag that I actually am carrying. So inside of her, I have quite a few things. And you can kind of see the little surprise I have there. I was able to use this bag when I was in the mall, and I wandered into a store, a boutique, and the boutique was a Coach boutique. I still have the bag in my bag because I folded it up, and I actually had the bag and the actual product inside the shopper, and it was still comfortable to carry this bag. So inside I have my tablet, and it's in its thinner case. And let me put this right here. I have one of my pouches that I carry, but I'm not carrying it right now in my bag that I'm carrying right now. The catch-all, and a wallet that I've had for quite a while. I just haven't been wearing it because the zipper pull fell off of it and I don't know where it is. I know I have to send this in to Dooney to get it fixed, but um, I just haven't done it yet. So this particular wallet is the same leather, Florentine leather, same color, same red contrast stitching. I really like this wallet. Um, Everything is on the inside of it. It has one, two, three. So that's six, 12 slots all in all, because six on one side, six on this side. Has the inner area right here. Has the zipper pocket right here, and another opening right here and here. As you can see, there's nothing on the insides of here. It's just everything is on the inside. This wallet makes you more organized. And you tend not to overstuff this wallet. Okay, so I have that in there, and I have my sunglasses, and I probably have some, I do have some catch-all pieces that I put in here that I just haven't changed out of and put them back into my cosmetic case. I usually don't use the zipper pocket here, but I've been noticing that it's a good alternative when you don't have, when you don't really have, you don't want to carry all your case. You don't want to carry your cosmetic case. You don't want to carry all, but you need to carry some lip stuff. You know, like I have to have lip balm. I have to have lipsticks, because I never know when I want to change it or keep it, or I don't care because I'm wearing my lipstick. I don't care. I'm a lipstick girl, and that's who I am. Okay, so the last but not least thing that I'm carrying in this bag is what I got from the Coach store. And what I got from the Coach store was this cute little clutch. It is the Coach Tabby. It's a Tabby clutch. And I was drawn to it from this because of this color. It doesn't match the lake color. It's actually more like a periwinkle type color. This is made out of calf leather, and it has the Coach signature canvas on the front part of it. On the back part, it has a pocket. It's nice and soft and smooth. It has that microfiber material on the inside of that pocket there. And then this actually has a removable chain, which is like a pewter color. If you see on the sides of the clutch, it's kind of an accordion style. So it's functional. This is what I like about this, because it's small, but yet it's functional. If I need to use this for quick trips, when I want to just kind of be a little trendy, and you know, I got my sweats on and I'm wearing my jacket and everything, and I just want to run to the store, and I can throw this on if I feel like doing it, because this would carry my cards, because it has card slots on the inside of it. So I could use it as a wallet and carry a lippy, maybe some sanitizer. Of course, I could carry my mask in here because of how it opens up to different areas. So this has the inside, has the suede and the Coach Creed. Let me fix this. Okay, so it has the Coach Creed on that side of the pocket, and nice little inside area right there. This is zipper area that has like a nylon material inside of it, so you can carry like lipsticks or whatever, a pen possibly. On this side, you have another opening on the other side of the zipper portion, and then you have this section where you can keep your bills and your credit cards and everything. And then on the back part, you can actually keep like receipts or something like that. So I will be able to carry my phone. I'll be able to carry my a little lotion, a little lip gloss, my mask, like I said before, a sanitizer, my cards, possibly my contact case, maybe one pair of glasses, you know. Oh, and I forgot to mention the pocket here. There's a pocket right here. The nice little pocket right there. Nice smooth leather. I like this. This could be cross-bodied. It can be taken off and just used as the clutch. I love a functional clutch. I really do. So, um, that's what I got from the Coach boutique store. This was on sale, and I don't know if they still have this online on the Coach outlet. No, the actual Coach website, not the Coach outlet. Because I got this from the boutique, and when I checked, it was on the Coach boutique website. Okay, so that was that. So now I wanted to show you. I was inspired to carry this bag. I was watching J.K. World. I think she changed her name to Bubbling at I'm not sure, but I know her as J.K. World. She did a video on what she got for Christmas. Her husband gave her a bag for Christmas, and it was the zip zip satchel, and it was the lizard and bows style. So I have this bag. When I saw her zip zip satchel, I said, I want to pull out my hobo. I actually got this on PoshMark, brand new. The seller and I did a sort of like a trade. Um, she wanted something from my closet, and I wanted something from her closet. We paid the same price, so it was even Steven. And she got what she wanted. I got what I wanted. My bag was brand new. Her bag was brand new. And so, yes. And I saw this on I Love Dooney for sale, on the recent sale at $220. So, and I got this for $60. So, I like this bag. I had this in the red pebble leather, and I wind up letting it go. I actually prefer this particular texture for this bag. I like that it doesn't have the Sierra leather on the bottom here, on the bottom corners. I like that it's all the lizard and bows color, gray color, because this is the gray one. It has the strips of Sierra leather with the feet on the bottom. It's a hard bottom, and then it's pretty pliable and soft here, and it has the nice leather adjustable leather strap. You can adjust it here, and you can adjust it right here. And I love the brown Sierra leather trim, contrast with the lizard color. So I wanted to show you guys this because I was inspired. She inspired me to pull this out and wear this, and I wear it with a wool coat, and it's nice. It's a nice carry, not bulky. It's easy to get on and off of the arm. I'm able to go inside really easy. You can see it zips up really nice. And then the plus for this bag is that I just recently got this bag on sale. This wallet on sale on I Love Dooney. And when I saw it for $39, I said, I needed a couple of more wallets. And even though I'm not a matchy person, this particular wallet, I said, some bags can take a matchy, and to me, this one could, it just happened to fall into my lap. The wallet was on sale, and then I've had this bag for a while, and it just extra inspiration to start carrying this bag. So, I'll show you inside this wallet. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like 10 slots. I think I said more than that before, but it's 10 slots. It has the pockets here and here, which is a plus. It has a zipper area here for your coins inside the bag, and the back pocket. So I like a flat wallet. I like to have my bills, even though I don't carry much money with me. I like to, when I do have some money, to carry it in a billfold. So that's this wallet that goes with this bag. I think it, did I say it was the lizard? It's the gray lizard color. It's the hobo. And on the inside, you have a zipper pocket and a slip pocket. And with this particular bag, I use my slip pocket a lot for my phone because it fits right in there. I love the organization of this bag. Everything is nice and tightly fit. Not tight, tight, but it fits nice and snug inside. And then it has the two pockets here where you carry either your sunglasses or your readers, or and then over on this side I have quite a few things in just that one pocket. So this is a very functional bag. I really like it, and I'm glad I got inspired to pull it out and to wear it again. To wear it actually for the first time, not again. But those are my items I wanted to show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And until the next time, I'll see you again. Bye.